What are your life goals that could help you to achieve your life goals easier and grander? Let us introduce SuperIcon, the self-management SNS platform that has never existed before. First, personalized life managing system that we developed with 16 years of endeavor based on super self-management theory. If there is a personalized life roadmap, what could make your precious life goals come true? First of all, you build a solid foundation for your life by establishing your own mission, vision, and core values. On top of the foundation, you build the unshakable pillars of life, such as health, wealth, reading, networking, and language skills. And you decorate the interior house of life by constructing your own distinctive core competencies through 6-step activities: differential knowledge, careful planning, bold execution, excellent achievements, efficient promotion, continuous management. Lastly, it guides you to complete building the sustainable life value house by communicating with others and succeeding together. Second, AI Life Consulting System, developed based on AI and big data technology. Life Consulting Report is automatically generated based on your LVH. By identifying your current position, strengths, weaknesses, and to draw improvements, it helps you to achieve your life goals easier and grander. Third, AI mentoring system that global users can communicate and mentor each other. Global users becoming mentors and mentees each other. You can receive mentoring for the fields you are curious about or want to study more, or provide mentoring for mentees about fields that you are professional in. Now you can definitely be different if you are with SuperIcon. You and I and world-changing self-management SNS platform, SuperIcon.